Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I have my daughter. She's gonna be doing my makeup in today's video. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, the congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back for another video. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, this is my beautiful daughter, Camila. She has been dying to do my makeup on camera. So here we go. So enjoy this talk through. She's gonna explain what she's doing, what she's applying, and all that good stuff. So she's gonna make me look fly,
flawless,
casket sharp.
So first things first, we're gonna add the concealer.
Concealer, or is that foundation?
We're gonna add concealer. Correction. We're going to add foundation. We're going to add foundation to this brush and put it all over mommy's face and make sure it's blend in. You gotta make sure it's as close as possible to her skin tone.
I'm not wearing foundation these days, but okay.
So you gotta make sure that you apply it. That you have to apply it all around your face. It has to be as close as your original skin tone, or otherwise it's gonna look super weird. Because if you have dark skin and you put light foundation on, it's just gonna look weird. But if you have light skin and dark foundation, it's just gonna look totally ridiculous. So
I agree.
So we're just gonna add some foundation until her whole face is covered with foundation. Well, not all, you know what I mean, like all of it.
You know what I mean.
We're gonna add it on her forehead now. Number one, you have to make sure that foundation stays completely away from your hair, because it can be dangerous for your hair, and it's not for your hair, it's for your face. You already added it on her forehead and her right cheek. So now I have to add it on her chin and this part, which is her temple right here, because you have to cover every spot just to make your skin look glowing. So, just to make it glow. Like I said, temple, cheek, chin. I'm pretty sure all of the ladies and all the teens will want glowing skin. All of them. I'm not leaving anybody out. Everyone.
Amen. Come on, Jesus.
So we already put it on her temple, but we can still see the foundation not really smoothed in all the way. So we have to make sure that it's smoothed in so that you can't see like it's actually her skin. So it's close enough to her skin color. You just gotta make sure that it doesn't get in her eyes because it can sting. Very, very bad. And you gotta make sure that it doesn't hurt the person that you're putting makeup on, because it's just gonna like hurt even more, so you gotta do it softly. So now we applied the foundation. I gotta say, it looks pretty good because I haven't done mommy's makeup in a long time. But I mean, I have, just not on camera. Second thing we gotta apply is powder.
It's highlight.
Highlight.
No, we got. Okay, you do your thing.
So we have
what you want to do.
So we get to apply the next thing, which is powder foundation. I don't know if that's right, but anyone in the comments, please tell me what this is, because I just can't read today. So now we're going to apply the powder. So we're gonna apply it to her cheeks. And you can kind of see that her cheeks are kind of glowing a little bit more. Now on the forehead, because some people put powder on their forehead, so we're going to do the same. So, and we're also going to put on her temples because we want like her whole entire face to shine. Now, here is what it looks like with the powder on her face. It looks really, really good. Like I haven't applied any makeup yet. So the next thing we gotta apply is highlights. This is Megla Do highlighting powder, and then this is the highlight. It's super pretty. Yeah. really nice. I'm trying to go for like right here, the highlighter to go is like from her temple all the way down to like part of like where her nose is. Make a highlight like right here, and then we're gonna do the same on the other side because we can't have one cheek shining better than the other cheek because the other cheek is gonna get jealous. The other cheek. So we gotta do the other one. I'm going to apply sparkly eyeshadow because we already have Mom's face shining bright like a diamond. You're using this CoverGirl palette, eyeshadow palette. Sorry about that. Eyeshadow palette from CoverGirl. It has a picture of a crown on it, which is really pretty. Gold right there. I can't choose between all three, so we're probably gonna just have to blend them all. It looks super pretty. So I'm thinking about like we put the gold on the bottom and then the Loveless on top because it's kind of like a little bit more brighter. You gotta make sure that doesn't get in Mom's eyes because we don't want an accident.
Come on.
I don't have time to be going to the hospital right now.
Okay.
As low as it can go to her lashes, we don't want it on her lashes because this isn't for the lashes. We're paying attention to the eyelid because we're trying to make the eyelid pop. So the second one is Smoldering, and I really love this color because it's so pretty. So we're just gonna put it right here and kind of blend it. It actually looks like so good. We just had to blend it a little bit more. And actually that looks like that looks really, really good. And now we can't forget the Loveless, so we have to put the Loveless on top and blend it. If you want, you can remove some excess glitter. We're going all out just to make my mom look gorgeous, like she's walking to the ball. Like she's a remix of Cinderella or something.
Come on. The Brandy Cinderella?
Huh?
The Brandy Cinderella?
Yep, the Brandy Cinderella. And we have, okay, we have to do the other eyelid because it's gonna look like super ridiculous having one eye looking shinier than a diamond than this one looking like it just woke up.
Now let me tell you something.
Day after day, seems like I push again.
Please close your eyes and try and keep the pattern that you're going through for your eye makeup to make it look like it looks exactly like the other one, like a mirror image. It's okay if there's like one mistake. It's not the end of the world if it's one mistake. Finish the eye makeup, and I gotta say, poppin'. Dun 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 dun. Almost forgot. So we're gonna do under eye concealer. So we're just gonna dab like a little bit. We're just gonna apply it. And we gotta make sure that it's not like a dab, like a light dab like that. Because if you leave it like that, people are gonna be like, okay. Because if you don't have any time to do your makeup, why are you doing it? If you don't have time, so that doesn't make sense. So. We did the second one, and I didn't mess up. We're gonna use an eyeliner pen, which is a little bit more difficult. It's not bad. I like it. Now we're gonna do her eyebrows. So we did her eye makeup, we did her eyebrows, we did her powder, we did her highlighter, and we also did her foundation. Before we do that, we need to contour her face. We're gonna contour my mom's face with this brush.
Make me look snatched, okay.
It doesn't really look like it's contoured, but we're gonna try a little bit more, and it looks good. Hope that it turns like really red because I love red lipstick. You just gotta really hope that we don't mess up because her face already looks good and I do not feel like doing the whole thing over again.
Okay.
And it looks good. We finished. Now mommy can rub it in. And we have our finished look. And last thing that we need to do is that we have to spray her face just to make sure that it sets. Because if you're going somewhere with makeup on and lipstick, you don't want it to smear on your food or on your straw because it's still gonna taste weird. See? me. And we set. There we go. There we go. We have the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below, and my mom, of what you guys think of how I did. You can give it a 1 out of 10, a 2 out of 10, a 3 out of 10, a 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, a 6 out of 10, a 7 out of 10, or a 10 out of 10. You guys love it? Smash that like button. Do your YouTube pose.
DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up.
Watch me pop, 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 pop. Watch me pop.
DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up.
Pop, pop, pop. Watch me pop, 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 pop. Watch me pop, pop, pop.
Thank you so much for watching me doing my mom's makeup. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow my mom on Instagram. See you guys later.
Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.